how you can turn on your notifications on Discord app using iPhone. So first thing first, let's open the Discord app, and once you open it, you will be able to see the interface on in the screen. So now you can see there is profile option at the bottom right corner of this dashboard or home page. So just tap on the profile icon, and once you tap on it, you will be redirected to the profile page. So now you can see settings option at the top right corner of the profile page on in the screen. So just tap on that settings icon and just scroll it down unless you find the notifications option in here. So you can see there is notifications options on in the screen. So just select the notifications afterward, and finally you simply need to enable the very first one, which is get notifications within Discord. And you can see there is a second option, which is system notifications. So just tap on the get notifications outside of Discord, and you will be redirected to the settings. And you can see there is notifications option in here. So just tap on it, notifications afterward, and make sure to enable it. And yeah, you will be able to turn on your notifications on Discord using iPhone successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to turn on your notifications on Discord app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.